Clear prop.
Palo Alto Tower Formation Kilo 23470 observation, wind 330 at 10, visibility 30. Sky clear. Temperature 22, dew point 15, altimeter 2980. GPS approaching use, landing and departing runway 31. Use caution bird activity on and in the vicinity of the airport. Read back hold short instructions and runway assignment. Advise ground control departure request. Advise on contact. Information Kilo.
Palo Alto Ground Skycatcher 6076 Charlie on Tango Row. I'd like to taxi to 31. Remaining in the pattern, and we have Kilo.
Skycatcher 6076 Charlie, Palo Alto Ground, hazardous weather information available on high loss flight watch or flight service frequencies. Runway 31, taxi via terminal side.
Taxi to 31 via terminal side, Skycatcher 6076 Charlie. Brakes are good. Alto Tower Skycatcher 6076 Charlie, ready to go, close traffic.
Skycatcher 6076 Charlie, Palo Alto Tower, taxi up hold short of runway 31.
Taxi up and hold short of runway 31, Skycatcher 6076 Charlie.
Skycatcher 76 Charlie, follow up on Cherokee, runway 31, clear for takeoff.
Following the upwind Cherokee, 31 clear for takeoff, Skycatcher 6076 Charlie. Plan looks clear. Airspeed alive, everything green, 50 knots, rotate.
Mission Lima now current, altimeter 29er, 79er. Cessna 14 November, turn base number 1, runway 31 cleared for the option. 14 November, turn base number 1 cleared for the option. 1 Sierra Charlie number 2, call Cessna mile and a half right base, runway 31 cleared for the option. Sierra Charlie number 2. Airline 02 November, runway 31, clear for takeoff, traffic right base. Clear for takeoff, 02 November.
clear at the amphitheater, 02 November.
November, right to Mark, 131, clear for takeoff.
Right down Bart, 3-1, clear for takeoff, 49 November.
That's 1242 November, taxi up full short, runway 31.
Taxi up and hold short of 3-1, 14 November. And we'll get set up behind that strawberry at 509.
Thank you. 02 November, follow the Cessna ahead of you over the birdhouse. Number 4, runway 31, clear for the option.
02 November is looking for that Cessna.
Sergeant, just ahead of you, about a mile past from the birdhouse right now.
Got it, someone on base. Is that him?
Negative, ahead of you, ahead on downwind, sir. Just beam the landfill on the right downwind.
Okay, 02 November, thank you.
Everyone, Charlie Alpha, follow the sky lane, beam the town the right downwind, number 5, runway 31, clear for the option.
Cleared for the option number 5, 1 Charlie Alpha. Oh, that's the time. Cherokee 56724 is ready for takeoff.
Cherokee 56724, fall tower, taxi up full short of runway 31.
Taxi hold short, runway 31, 724.
02 November, verify if traffic call right base.
02 November has a Cessna on base.
Thank you. 253, Mike, once you're established on the downwind, start reducing your speed. I got 1 departure prior to your arrival.
Alright, no problem. We'll slow down when we get on the downwind 5
Thank you. That's 76 Charlie, runway 31, taxi back, be the pre-release time of this frequency device termination.
76 Charlie, will call.
Thank you. Cherokee 724, left on Martin, runway 31, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, left on Martin, 724.
There's 76 Charlie, taxi up full short, runway 31, be ready to go.
Taxi up and hold short of 3-1, Skycatcher 76 Charlie.
Lights,
Cherokee
camera.
76 Charlie, right traffic, runway 31, clear for takeoff, up into the auto bridge.
Clear for takeoff, 3-1, upwind to the auto bridge, Skycatcher 76 Charlie.
Door 3, extra rich, lights, camera, action.
Cherokee 651 Kilo Charlie, Paul Tower, proceed direct midfield, left downwind.
Okay, everything green, airspeed alive. 50 knots, rotate.
Source 809 Sierra Romeo, Palo Alto Tower, hold short of runway 31.
Hold short 31 under Sierra Romeo.
Alpha Tower, Star 566, Delta Sierra, ready to go, right crosswind in sequence.
Star 566, Delta Sierra, Palo Alto Tower number 2.
Palo Alto Tower, bearing 214 kilo pumps, ready to go.
Sierra Snare Sierra Romeo, runway 31, clear for takeoff right over at 270. The upwind to Tabia will be extending.
31 under Sierra Romeo, traffic inside.
Tabia 1 Charlie Alpha, extend upwind to the auto bridge.
1 Charlie Alpha.
I'm at 6 Delta Sierra, hold short of runway 31.
Hold short 316 Delta Sierra.
Turn 214 kilo pop at Palo Alto Tower, roger.
Palo Alto Tower, Skyline 759 Charlie Echo 2000, reaching the salt flat.
Skyline 759 Charlie Echo, Palo Alto Tower, make right traffic, runway 31, verify Lima.
I have Lima, right traffic 31, Charlie.
Sierra Snare Sierra Romeo, if able, keep your right 270 tight.
9 Sierra Romeo.
I'm at 6 Delta Sierra, runway 31, clear for takeoff, make it a right to Barton.
6 Delta Sierra, clear for takeoff, runway 31, right to Mark.
Tower 9 Sierra Romeo needs to return to land. Nothing urgent.
Sierra Snare Sierra Romeo, roger, make left traffic.
Left traffic, 9 Sierra Romeo.
Cessna 42 November, turn base.
14 about 10 base.
Tabia 1 Charlie Alpha, crossing approved. Sierra Snare Sierra Romeo, will you be able short approach?
Would prefer that, affirmative 9 Sierra Romeo.
Sierra Snare Sierra Romeo, you're number 1, runway 31, cleared to land, short approach approved. You're turning inside of traffic over the amphitheater on final.
9 Sierra Romeo.
Cessna 42 November, climb to or remain at or above 1,300 to overfly the runway for traffic on priority on the left downwind to Cirrus.
Flying runway 14 November.
Skycatcher 76 Charlie, follow the aircraft ahead of you doing the same. Climb to or remain at or above 1,500 to overfly the runway for a descending right turn to the pattern.
Follow the traffic on final, who will be at 1,200, 76 Charlie.
Sierra Snare Sierra Romeo, you're number 1, traffic on a mile out final. They're climbing for you. Start your descent, you're number 1, runway 31, clear to land with 33012, altimeter 29 700.
9 Sierra Romeo.
Down to 6 Delta Sierra, I will call your right turn.
Delta Sierra, roger.
Cessna 9 Charlie Echo, fly direct midfield for the right downwind.
Direct midfield, 9 Charlie Echo.
Bearing 4 kilo Papa, pull short of runway 31, it'll be just a few minutes.
Hold short 31, 4 kilo pumps.
Cessna 42 November, overfly the runway, extend upwind to the auto bridge and make right close traffic.
4 November, extend to the auto bridge and run close traffic overflying runway.
Skycatcher 76 Charlie, normal descent approved. You're number 2, follow Cirrus short final, runway 31, clear to land.
Normal descent approved, following the Cirrus, looking for traffic. Cleared to land or cleared for the option 76 Charlie?
Clear for the option.
Clear for the option 76 Charlie.
Approved. I'm at 6 Delta Sierra, right crosswind approved, contact NorCal approach on 124.4.
6 Delta Sierra, right crosswind approved, 124.4.
Tabia 1 Charlie Alpha, number 2, follow Skycatcher, a mile final, runway 31, clear for the option.
Clear for the option number 2, and we're going to terminate after this 1 Charlie Alpha.
Bearing 4 kilo Papa, runway 31, clear for takeoff, right 45.
Clear for takeoff, right 45 departure, 214 kilo pumps.
9 Sierra Romeo, taxi to the west island.
Sierra Snare Sierra Romeo, contact ground.
9 Sierra Romeo, taxi.
Tabia 1 Charlie Alpha, you're number 2, follow the Skycatcher on a mile final.
1 Charlie Alpha.
Skycatcher 76 Charlie, S-Tours are approved as needed for spacing for the departing Baron.
76 Charlie.
Cessna 9 Charlie Echo, number 3, follow Tabia, wing upright base, runway 31, clear to land.
Clear to land, 31, number 3, 9 Charlie Echo.
Cessna 42 November, right crosswind approved, and you can start your descent to the right downwind. You're number 4, following a Cessna midfield, right downwind, runway 31, clear for the option.
Right, crosswind approved, descend to pattern altitude, 14 November.
Bearing 4 kilo Papa, I will call your right turn.
You'll call my curve, 4 kilo pumps.
Cessna Charlie Echo traffic to follow off your right on turning about a mile final.
Charlie Echo inside.
Cessna 14 November, you're following traffic wing upright base inside the amphitheater.
Following traffic, turning base inside the amphitheater. Have traffic inside 14 November.
Air 4 Kilo Papa, right 45 approved.
4 Kilo Papa.
Skycatcher 76 Charlie, runway 31 clear for takeoff, traffic a mile final, no delay.
No delay, clear for takeoff, 76 Charlie.
Cessna 9 Charlie Echo, contact Maryland, welcome back.
Charlie Echo going ground.
Cessna 14 November, one departure ahead of you.
14 November, one departure ahead.
Wind 31014.
Okay, everything green. Airspeed is alive. 50 knots, rotate. Positive rate, gear up.
Palo Alto Tower, helicopter 145 Sierra uniform at the helistop with Lima. I'd like to come to a high hover and then make a left cross one back to Stanford.
Helicopter 145 Sierra uniform, Palo Alto Tower departure from the spot will be at your own risk, left cross when approved. Report landing assured, landing will be at your own risk, verify you have Lima.
We do have Lima and we'll give you a call landing assured at the other end, 5 Sierra uniform.
Cessna 14 November, runway 31 clear for takeoff.
14 November, clear for takeoff. Palo Alto Tower, Skyhawk 837 Sierra Papa, over to Clio Delta 2000. Please back for landing with information, Lima.
Back 837 Sierra Papa, Palo Alto Tower, ident, start a left turn towards the 31 numbers for right traffic, runway 31.
Left turn for numbers and ident, 7 Sierra Papa.
Cessna 7 Sierra Papa, traffic 11 o'clock, 3 miles over KGO northbound, 1000 indicated Cessna.
Looking out, 7 Sierra Papa.
Cessna 9 Charlie Echo, right crosswind outside the upwind Skycatcher. There'll be a right turn in the pattern, runway 31, clear for takeoff.
9 Charlie Echo, cleared for takeoff, bomb 31, and we'll take a look for that traffic.
To base and final square for one departure ahead of you.
Okay, go ahead and turn, 7 Sierra Papa.
Cessna 9 or 6 Sierra, read back, hold short instructions.
9 or 6 Sierra, holding you.
6 Sierra, runway 31, clear for takeoff, left to mark.
Please take off left on man.
Cessna 14 November, runway 31, clear for takeoff, follow the Skycatcher.
14 November, clear for takeoff on Skycatcher. Palo Alto Tower, Cessna 298 Golf Bravo, would like to join the pattern on right base if able.
Just takeoff, Bravo, right base entry approved.
8 Golf Bravo.
Airspeed alive.
Additional aircraft information, Mike's current Palo Alto 132012, altimeter. Bearing 4 Kilo Papa number 1, runway 31, clear to land, wind 33012.
Number 1, clear to land, 214 Kilo Papa.
727 Victor Tango ready for departure.
Skyline 727 Victor Tango, Palo Alto Tower, wind 32011, runway 31, clear for takeoff.
Runway 31 clear for takeoff, November 727 Victor Tango.
And Palo Alto Tower, Skycatcher 76 Charlie taxiing back to Tango.
Skycatcher 76 Charlie, taxi to parking via the parallel kilo, monitor ground.
Parallel kilo, monitor ground. Thanks for the help tonight.